Gusto mo ba lumaki ang iyong legs at hita? Pero gusto mo rin lumaki ang iyong butt? Ito mga exercises na pwede mong gawin. Number 1, narrow stance squats. Kailangan yung balikat mo, yung hita mo, magkapantay lang siya. And then slowly go down. Perform this for 10 reps. At ang susunod natin, ang front lunges. Step forward. And goal natin, yung tuhod natin sa likod, ay maibaba natin, almost touching the floor. Do this for 10 reps as well. And another 10 reps on the other side. And for the third exercise, calf raise. Perform this exercise for 20 reps. Slowly go down and up. And for our booty, kick back. Lift your leg for 15 reps. Control body movement and another 15 reps on the other side. And for the next one, reverse lunges plus kick. Dalhin niyo lahat ng weight niyo dito sa front heel and then kick. Tighten your core para magkaroon ng balance. 10 reps each side. And for the last exercise, clamshell. Kung nahihirapan kayo sa balance, pwede kayong humawak. And then goal natin yung tuhod, maiangat natin. At gawin nyo to 15 reps each side. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my socials, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook for more workouts and tutorials.